Hi lovelies, do you love to eat good food without being stressed at all? If it is yes, lovelies, I brought you this super delicious cake, perfect for dessert. Let me show you how to achieve this without being stressed. What I have here are 2 diced apples. Now in a pot, I'm going to be pouring these 3 packets of glaze, just 3 envelopes. You can get them at Aldi, at any supermarket close to you, and I'll be adding 600 ml of water into it. At the back of the envelope, you'll be seeing that you have to add 750 ml. Please, you don't need to do that. We want it to be thicker to give us the perfect result that we need. Into it, I'll be adding 1.5 tablespoonful of sugar. Now combine it well, mix it thoroughly, all right, and let it start cooking. Once it starts to bring out vapor, then it's time to add the diced apples into it. Yes, add it into it and bring it to boil together. You can see once it starts to bubble, then you know it's time to turn down the heat. Look at it. Can you see? Super ready now. So I'm just going to turn down the heat and I will take it off the cooker. Now keep it aside. What I have here is the cake flour. You can get it at your supermarket as well. I told you this is super stress-free. So that is the cake flour. Get it at the supermarket. It is so affordable. All right, now get the mixture. It's now time to pour it on it. You don't need to pour everything at a time. You can just first of all take out the apples, you spread it well, and then you start to add the glaze onto it. Take your time to do this. It's your cake, and if you need to get the best result, take your time to spread the glaze on top of it evenly. Look at it. Now keep it in a cool place. Let it cool down totally. Tra-la-la. This is what you're going to have. Yes, once it's cooled down totally, you are going to have the best results. You can eat it like this with coffee, with cocoa drink, with soft drink, or you just serve it at the dessert. This is perfect for all occasions. This is perfect for Christmas time, perfect for birthday, or just for coffee time, or just as desserts. Lovelies, this is so easy. Look at what we have here. Look at it. You need to taste it. It tastes super delicious. Guys, you can eat it that way, or you just serve it with cream. Yes, with whipped cream. You're going to enjoy it with or without whipped cream. Okay, I'm just showing you the way you can serve it. Now let's move to the second video. This cake flour that I'll be using, and I'm using strawberry for this. I only prepare the cream, the glaze, without adding any apple or strawberry into it. I only arrange the strawberry on top of the cake flour, and I prepare the glaze just the way I prepared the first one you watched, and I just spread it on top of the strawberry. Lovely. Try this. Try the first one or the second one, or you try both. I'm telling you, you will love it. It is super stress-free and tastes super delicious. All we need to do now is to allow it to cool down totally. All right, let it cool down, and then you serve it like that. Thank you so much for watching. Love you.